uzela ukuzodistra impilo yami mina ngiyamkhulula umuntu ngilele la kanti umuntu she went out uyobhuka nabo babami wena ubonisa inkwasa kababami singcono kunalesi mina engizokhona ukuthi ngiphume enyosizami actually like kizo zonke izinto ongazenza bongi uhambe uyolala nobabami babazala yo
and I'm pregnant
angazi nokuthi ngithini.
Yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Mpete Usfiso, bringing Ubongi. Let's get into it.
Sanibonani, igama lami nginguSifiso. Ngize ku Save My Relationship because nginenkinga nge-relationship yami nomuntu wami since a year and 8 months now sisonke, but now these days senginenkinga since ngasathola amathenda because ngumuntu onamathenda, umuntu othola amathenda just for a living. So kule insuku seshintshile nje, that's why I came to Save My Relationship so that mhlawumbe ngizothola isixazululo.
Always with Gemini for better Toyota parts. Gemini Parts cares for you. Always with Gemini for better Toyota parts. Gemini Parts cares for you.
Yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. As I said to you guys earlier on, Mpete Usfiso, bringing Ubongi. You guys good?
Yeah, it's right. Wafugamba kahle kwena.
Mnandi Ubongi. Ushap.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. So, do you know why you on Save My Relationship?
No, I have no idea. Also bengazi ukuthi ngidinga relationship esave one.
Oh, okay. Amchazela umuntu akuthi umletha ku show to save into zenu.
Ngisengamchazeli ngoba nglamalanga vele uneenga kakhulu so ngizathi ngiyamchazela ukuthi kuzabe kunama camera ngabe sengishisela endlini.
So uyavuma ukuthi nama enga.
Qala ukuyiswa mina le.
Oh, okay. You guys look happy together.
Yeah, in public I can say, but
in public,
yeah,
endlini yalo.
Yeah, izinto seyishintshe.
Ngabo check clear endlini. Okay, ngicela ukuchazele usisi uthi umletheleni ku Save My Relationship. Mara before umchazela, let me just explain to her. Save My Relationship, it's a show whereby there is manenkinga ku relationship yenu. You come to the show and then you try to solve them. There will be a third person on mamele, obvious, because some other problems zidinga umuntu ozo khona mhlambe unsiza if it's helpable ngiyangithola. So manje ubhuti has got something to say to you. So we'll give him a platform. You can.
Mina ngibizele ku Save My Relationship because in the past few months izinto beseyishintshile nasendlini. I-respect lebo nginika yona kudala, the first time we met akusafani nale yamanje, especially since nale nto yami yamathenda isimile, singasana income stable, right, like behavior yakho, the way you respond isishintshile isafani nje nasecaleni.
Manje, couldn't we talk about this thing endlini? Like, why did you have to bring me here, emacamereni and stuff? Like,
it's because endlini ngiyazama ukukhuluma nawe, sometimes ubuya TSP ubuya nje ngiyakubona ukuthi ubuphume nabangani bakho so bengafuni ukugrasela or as if like sengiqala amanye ama conversation ay bad because angisana mathenda, because uyabaza abantu besifazane babona ngathi usuyashintsha because imali seyehlile into ekalezo so bengafuni ukucika yabo.
Okay, yeah, now that we're on this topic, what happened? Cause vele izinto for the past 5 months haven't been okay. Like mele pandemic na mele ngizama ukuthi kudliwani, you are not doing anything. Ngisho nesex ayisekho mnandi phela manje because you're just there.
But uyazi na ukuthi ngizamile. Ngizo zonke izinto bengikwenzela zona. Found out ukuthi kumanje nje ama investment wami amanye adliwe ilezi zinto bengikwenzela zona. I had to make sure ukuthi bozikhipha nabangani bakho bebaye Durban. I had to pay for ama fees walawo ma trip. I have to pay for ama fees ama booking ama hotel for i-pocket money so that you can go shopping bohambe nabo.
Yeah, angazi manje ngoba mangathi uyenze ngathi uyangiblame because ungithole ngiphila leyo life so manje inkinga yakhe kuphi?
I'm not blaming you. Inkinga yami ukuthi i-behavior yakhe isishintshile.
Okay, where did you guys meet? Ngoba athi mthole
Actually for mina naye sihlangene eSandton. Actually mina nama colleagues wami we went out to celebrate itender le fiber cable because we were busy with i-fiber cable, we installing i-fiber cable. So bese pay out lama invoice bese so mixile imali bese ifikile, so we had to go out and celebrate. Then we went to Sandton. That's
so
where
you guys met at the club?
We met at the club.
Where you guys were celebrating?
Yes, while we were celebrating, I went to them and asked them to join our table, and they did so. So that's where we exchanged our number. We started going out to our dates, our vacation, something like that.
Oh, okay. It sounds like love at first sight.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, so not to burst your bubble, nah. So like, okay, we usually go to different clubs in Sandton, me and my friends. Ngasho ukuthi it's our side hustle. So we go that day, besise temple, right? And we chilling there, sibahle, we just drinking our champagne and stuff. And then him and his friends came, and then we saw them. So we usually go there to look for targets, vele, you know, pay for drinks and stuff and see if. Then Uputilona, we made eye contact, me and him. And then obviously I told my girlies, okay, I think I have umuntu vele ngimbonayo ngazuthi yabo. And then he came to me and then we spoke, nuka kahle muhle ugqoke kahle, and then he was like, okay, do you want to join the table? And then we did. Then we went, we spent time, sakuluma. So usually it mustn't be a thing tina na clients wethu yabo, because kahle we're supposed to go home nabo, silale nabo, get money and sharp.
But the time mina nawe sesiqala siya kuma dates, you've never mentioned that kimi. Mina bengizibonela umuntu right, someone whom I can start a future with. When you didn't mention that, I knew ukuthi maybe you are that type of a girl, but then I had that belief ukuthi maybe uzoshintsha, because the time sesihlala bese sihlala sithu most of the time ungasaphumi uhambe nabangani bakho emasentini. But now ngoba manje izinto seziyashintsha endlini usuqala ukuphuma wena manje. Because mina sometimes nginokuhlala endlini, how chuchuchu umuntu uhleli uchuchuchu umuntu useyaphuma ebomnyameni ngathi useyinkanyezi. These days vele like nasendlini sekuyabanda because akusabi comfortable, because akusanathando, akusanalutho nje. It seems like ngathi mina sengidepende kuye, ngathi sengimthwalo kuyena. Found out ukuthi mina ngispende more than 300,000 just to make her happy. But yena manje at the end of the day usengibiza ngolo.
Mara umzwile makakhuluma athi it's their job ukuthi banenze nibe happy.
But she was supposed to say so from the first time.
Word go when abonga nama signs oyibona uthi okay.
Like umuntu angeke umazi, yabo? Abantu phela bayakhona ukugcoka isikhumba semvu kanti bayimpisi. You'll never know, especially like Oli. Because lo muntu sihlangene naye eSandton bengitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe usiso right, oyi-HR somewhere ozisebenzela umsebenzi o-right, she's there with her friends, maybe they are drinking then going back home. Kanti mina ngazi ukuthi sengizibonela ihasila. And she didn't mention that.
I did not mention it because it's not supposed to be mentioned. If ngiyakutshela.
So manje when you had to wait ukuthi imali iphele so that you can say such thing ukuthi
I didn't know your money was gonna end, brother. Like I didn't even plan to be in a relationship with you. But indlela obenza ngayo and everything, I saw ukuthi there's no need for me to continue that life, that side, because you already have everything that I'm going there for. So ngizobe ngiqhubekelana. Hence
so when usho ukuthi impilo yakho you'll be always doing the same thing, going there to look for things that you don't have and come back.
We are surviving. Like how are you getting tenders? So umehluko between me and you ukuphi? Because when I uthola amatenda I also
But you are using people's love to get money. I mean, I'm not using people's love to do such.
You're the first person I ever dated in my life during this job. You're the first person named Jolile naye, and then your thing started going left, and I can't lead that life because ngijwayele. So I continued going there, and yeah.
So when you were dating him, was it for love or for imali yakhe?
Well, it's hard to say, but there was like,
Or there was like
in ake ucacise nje it's like in
ngathi like
ubungithandela imali yami.
no.
So into esengicasulayo wena bafu ukuthi phela nasendlini bese ngibatshelile abazali bami bese bazi ngoba most of the time bayangibuza ngaye ngoba bese bemazi endlini ukuthi okay njengoba usunamathenda imali yakho ekanje uyisebenzisa nomuntu osothi build your future because mina ngumuntu wamathenda ngumuntu wamabhizinisi. For me ukuthi ngibe stable I had to have someone ozongenza ngibe stable eceleni kwami. I can't have a party goer next to me because which means the future yami iyofana nama rolling dice kusasa u4 kusasa u5.
Okay, so na isikhalo sakho kwamanje ukuthi awusena mali and uthando
seliyaphela
uthando
kungena ama phone call ebusuku sometimes ayaphendula sometimes awaphendulwa sometimes ifone iyakhala iyophendulela kwezinye indawo. So izinto ezingicikayo that's why I came here ukuthi kahle kahle ngizokhona ukwazi because endlini mawubuza sometimes uyaphendula sometimes uphendulwa harsh. So gcina kuyinkinga that's why uthola abantu sebashaya abafazi babone ngathi baba abuse kanti ibona aba responda ngendlela negative engekho positive towards thina. At the end of the day yithi esafarayo kumanje yimi engisafarayo because bengiprovide ngenza yonke into bafo ngisho samba ama restaurant abizayo kodwa imali yami isidliwe isiphelile sengitshela ukuthi abasakhona ukuqhubeka baphile lempilo angazi ukuthi.
So Bongi, what are you saying with what he just said right now?
Like, I don't even know how I'm feeling because you can't get umuntu aphila a certain life. It's and then ufuna umshintsha.
Inkinga kabongi uthanda ukuzwa ngabangani. That's why azokutshela ngama certain life. Ubongi ufuna just to go there with her friends. Mina like the time ngisese stable abangani bakhe they were coming endlini yethu having those drinks and everything. Bengana stress in the mind. Yabo. Not just ukuthi abangani bakhe they are a bad influence towards her life.
Ayikho bad influencing naye nomngana mina ne and lezinto zakho libele uzisho ngamlazi izongibora. First of all, uyindoda Siso ne, you can't expect me to be okay in a situation where you cannot provide. You were able to and now you can't. And I had to make amends. Uyazi ukuthi I wasn't gonna tell you this but now your dad spoke to me and washo ukuthi he knows ukuthi there's things happening in your life. So for us to be okay, he can continue giving me money so he can so I can support us while me and him have sex.
Oh wena nje angikholwa nje nalento ekhuluma ayenzi sense.
So you sleeping with his father?
Angeke ayenzeki leyo.
So usasena you guys are together because of ubabakhe.
So wena uzongitshela ukuthi wena sonke lesikhathi ungifihlele yonke lento sonke shuthi mina ngaba ngibizanga angizanga la ku save my relationship yonke lento bengengiyazi.
I had to ukuthi ngizame ukwenza imizamo because you're not being a
imiphi imizamo yenzile because kumanje nje soveza indaba ebengazazi but uthi wenza imizamo ngapha wena behind my back ubhizi ukhuluma nobabami. So wena kahle kahle shuthi usunginyaze ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi udle imali yami usufuna ukudla ngisho nobabami. Kahle kahle wena kahle kahle uzele ukuzodistra impilo yami because lento osoyikhulumayo manje it's something I was not expecting ukuthi wena behind my back you've been sleeping with my father.
Ngizama ukusiza wena and
usiza mina
situation yasendlini.
Ngizama
ukusiza situation yasendlini.
Usiza mina ngokulala nobaba wami.
Yeah, he was giving us money. I was doing it for us.
Ushuthi wena ubuhluleka kuza kimi ukuthi wena mina ngihambe nyo.
Ngize kuwe you couldn't even buy isinkwa bro. Isinkwa. Just bread.
Wena ubona isinkwa saka baba msingcono kunalesi mina engizokhona ukuthi ngiphume enyosizama.
He had a better offer and he was nice in bed so better than you because broke man.
Mara izolo lento ikhulumayo ukuthi
Ay Siso mina ungiborile shem. Honestly bengazi futhi ukuthi ngitshele kanjani and I'm pregnant.
Mara Bongiwe yazi ukuthi ungithatha serious.
Umzulu 10.
Akangithathi serious Ubongiwe. Yazi ubongiwe ngimsacrificeele ngazo zonke izindlela ngimsacrificeele nomndeni wakhe uzama ukumjikela.
Athu pregnant umzulu.
Angazi nokuthi ngithini. Yayibona le yona.
So who's the father? Is it Sifiso noma?
Usiyothi ubani because these days lento ngitshelayo ukuthi she went back to those bad friends ebekaphila nabo, which means asazi nokuthi nalento kababa nje angiboni ukuthi into ekhona, because lamalanga vele usengimcambi manga. So if you are pregnant ngomntana kababa, like shuthi wena sowubhidlizile kahle kahle umndeni wami, because usewubhidlizile kahle kahle, because umama
ubaba ngoba kangasho
ngiyatshela ukuthi bafo nasenkonzweni it's been almost 2 to 3 months mina naye singayi, so uyoba umntwana mjani futhi like
I didn't even say it's yours.
usuyezwa
Akuso like uyangibhoka lone in a sense ukuthi I don't even want to be intimate with him anymore, but like I was continuing staying with you because like I said there is a little bit nyana like there, and I was hoping ukuthi something is gonna come through for you.
But you were supposed to say such in the first day where we met, ukuthi no mina I'm not here like to stay or to build something strong, I'm just here for it temporarily.
I did not know ukuthi bengizoba temporary. Uobe temporary by losing tenders. When I'm all losing my tender, ucanga ukuthi mina ngiphile kanjani. We're here to survive, bro. We're here to survive. And I'm sorry, but I'm pregnant ngomntana kababakho.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you like this, but yeah.
Awungathi you didn't mean to, because the first time mina ngihlangana nawe Thando, I thought ukuthi umntwana right. Yazi uThando sometimes nje nalo luyisicalekiso. Kahle kahle wena isicalekiso empilweni yami. I'm not saying bona njalo.
Because I wasted 1 year 8 months nginawe. Wasted. I say wasted
It's
because
a waste.
I could have, yes.
It's a waste.
Yes.
Thando, you have clothes, you have everything that you have. It's because of me. It's because of my money. Then you go behind my back, you lala no baba me just because imali, because I can't buy bread anymore.
Well, you couldn't. And you were eating bread kona manje udlile before you came here. Uright manje uthi leyo mali sukapi? Yeah, uthi sukapi leyo mali?
Yazi ukuthini? I thought ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ongcono obhadlile. But ngiyabona ukuthi
okay, so angibhadlanga ke manje. Angisabhadlanga because when you can't be a man.
No,
you can't be a man.
No, Thando.
You can't. And stop calling me Uthando. Use my first name, Gubongi.
ilona legama lasestradini engalithandi. Bongi ilona legama likwenza iseqa mgwaqo. Usubuyela yeah. Angithi usulala nabo baba wena abadala. Actually like kizo zonke izinto ongazenza Bongi uhambe uyolala babazala yo.
But as Fisho ngithi when you took her from that side la umthathe khona, that's the hustle she was doing. Bongayibona ukuthi lento le angayenza.
No,
You couldn't picture that.
Mina she didn't tell me. Ukuthi yena she's there for a hustling. She's doing whatever she's doing for a hustling. Mina I thought maybe she's going out.
You couldn't
Yeah, ukuthi maybe like she wants to enjoy life, and now I can't stop her. Ukuthi no, every time mega phuma mela phume nami. Sometimes she have to go out with other girls abangani bakhe, not ukuthi azolokho ngimbangela isicefe la duze kwakhe. So mina bengimkhulula kanti umuntu uyahamba uyojakadula le. Mina ngiyamkhulula umuntu ngilele la kanti umuntu she went out uyobhuka nabo babami. Mina islima silele endlini. Bese uthi uhasilela mina.
Mara, I was doing it for you. I was doing it for us until
Like, did I
found out
ask you to
ukuthi
do such
pregnant.
thing for us?
You didn't. But you were sitting and not even doing anything else. Like when I'm a tender is your love and be all. Without
you are-
the tender, awukwazi ukwenza enye into. Amanye amadoda ayavuka yosebenza yoyenza something. Wena ulele endlini. I'm not used to amadoda anje. Kuthiwa mina I'm not. Look
And
ukuthi lo
therefore-
mina
and
ngimthola
therefore,
gqoka
yazi-
kahle njengoba agqoke kanje manje.
Yazi umama
Uyagqoka
wakhe-
ama-suit every day.
Yazi umama wakhe ubejabule njani ukuthi at least umntana wakhe seshintshile. Uthi since mina ngafika empilweni kaBongi sekashintshile, she's much better because izinto bekazenza nabangani bakhe nabo makhelwane bebakhuluma yabo like beyangasafeel right, but because I came and tried to change uBongi nami I try to do my best kizo zonke izinto ngimnika izinto lezi nami ngizibona ukuthi no we can't afford this, but because she want to be happy I have to do it.
Also,
Because
you couldn't afford this whole time. Mina kusho ukuthi ngiyamhlukumeza lo mfana. Honestly, kahle selokhu uqalile wena ukukhuluma, you didn't even want to do these things. Uyazenza just because Yeah?
No, because yes, I wanted to make you happy. Like
Yeah,
when
and I was
njengomuntu
happy
ophila
and
kahle,
thank
do you
you.
think each and every weekend you can
Thank
go
you,
out
happy.
and
Thank
buy
you so
ama
much.
Istropez, ama XO? Like,
Thank you, happy, Sana
while you
Sibes.
know which we can't usually afford that for a long period. But each and every weekend we have to go out, so tell ama Istropez, ama XO. Then abiza abangani bakhe. Then I have to also provide for abangani bakhe before
It's a thing we do.
So did you share with your friends imali oyithola kumuntu wakho?
We have to. It's a thing.
That's your hustle. Now mabathola imali,
Yes.
you guys share the money.
Oh kahle kahle kudliwa umgodlo ovuliwe. Nina benibuka mina benibona umgodlo ovuliwe nabangani bakho. Oh, that's
So-
why they were always smiling bebabona mina bayasho ukuthi lesiduphunga lesi sizosidla sisicede.
So out of this 1 year, 8 months, you were sharing imali yakhe nabangani bakho.
Yes. I was, because that's how it happens.
So khona manje when your friends are making money, are they sharing that money with you?
Lutho ngathi benza yena isicathalala. Ilento engitshela ukuthi bayamuse, bayambona ukuthi no ubongi singamthatha simenze kanje simenze kanje.
Because you were hardly even there.
Because ngibona kanjani because each and every time bebeza la endlini bebeza balengisa izandla bangephethe lutho. We had to give them drinks, we have to polish for them, we had to give them food, everything, yonke into, place to sleep.
We believe Gucci women don't spend. If I have a man and you're coming to my place, you're not spending a cent, not even the Uber ozozangayo. And even me, mangiya kuye, makhono pandile, we do that.
Oh,
I'm so sorry, but he was a victim this whole time.
So he was part of the,
He was part of the whole thing. He's my hustle.
or is your hustle?
Yes.
oh sengihustle manje.
Seliyaphuma manje. Yes.
Awu sonke lesikhathi nomuntu obuthulile nje uyasho ukuthi hawu mina ngihlele nehasila yami.
Sfiso,
Usho ukuthi ubuhasila
one
kumina.
thing ekubonisile ukuthi ngiyakuthanda throughout this whole relationship. One.
Ayikho nje nento eyi-1 mina ngibonile.
Exactly.
Ayikho.
Angibonisanga lutho. We would just have
Ayi.
sex. He goes, he comes back, we have sex,
Like,
we go shop.
sengiyayibona
we come
manje
back,
ukuthi
we eat,
ibingekho
we
nje
have
yonke
sex.
lento.
Like that's just the
Bongana-
life.
bongana thando.
No. There was no love or anything. And obviously, imali missing echo. I'm bored.
Shuthi wena nje ngenkathi sonke lesikhathi ngiphuma mina ngiyokuspendela imali wena ububuka amanye amadoda aseceleni ukuthi no that's my next move. My next move is
So
here.
okay, let's get to the situation ukuthi you are pregnant ngomntana kababakhe. Are you keeping the child?
I don't know. He wants us to.
The father knows umtshelile babakhe
Yes.
Yo,
and akamtshelanga next.
yo.
He actually wants to make me his wife.
So you're
It's
gonna be
your dad.
stepmother sakhe.
It's uyadla. Are you serious? Like are you being serious?
Ubaba kunemali, Sfiso, you don't. So give me something to work with, or I'm at this point, it's your choice.
Ubabakhe akusi hustle kuwe.
No.
Why are you saying that? Are you in love no babakhe?
So
It started as a hustle, and now it's like, go buy something.
Is it because of the pregnancy?
No, it was before the pregnancy. Like, I feel like we built a connection, me and him.
so manje wena ungitshela ukuthi mina kumele ngichoose. Ngiyochoose insando wena njengoba uthi usumithi umithele umatime. Like so you want me to choose. So you want me to choose you. So which means mina kahle kahle sonke lesikhathi kahle kahle which means ngabe ngithole elinye ithenda bengiyokhulisa ibhanji. Ngikhulisa ingane mina ngithi ingane yami zilokhu ziyavela izingane ziba macrayon enye imnyama enye iba mhlophe mina lokhu ngithi izingane zami kanti ubonga uhambile uyotsakadula uyovulela abantu amathanga le cause izoba njalo cause amathenda they come and go which means mina benginethenda uzabuka imi bese ngeke ithenda uyothanda ushuthi mhlawumbe minye uhamba nayo kuyo yonke lemicimbi uyothandana nawo ubaba omncane ubazalela izingane ubaba omkhulu bonke ifamily yami yonke uyizalela izingane.
Tell babakhe, it wasn't. a
Babakhe
plan.
na?
No, it just happened. Nami ngibone sengigula and ngayo go doctor and then the
Then
doctor
you found
will
out.
confirm. Yeah, and I knew ukuthi yeka babakhe because me and him haven't been having sex.
Shuthi matime lokhu uzulazula uzala endlini uzoyibukisa ukuthi ngikhona ngi right yini kanti uze kuwena.
So kahle
Nawo
kahle,
ngibona isilima.
umuntu wakho ujike waba yi stepmother sakho. When you
Kusho
do the
lokho.
things.
Sekusho lokho bafu. Yazi ngavele ngaphela amandla nje. Ngoba usengibukanisa nezwe manje. ngithi mina mhlambe khona into ezoba right ezoyenzeka ngoba usukubukanisa nezo mina ngithi mhlambe njengoba ngenza lokho ngizela ukuthi mhlambe khona isolution ezoba khona but ngiyabona ukuthi no ngcono ngihambe ngiyobheka abantu aba right
Yeah, do
ayikho
that
yonke
please,
lento.
because I'm not
but
gonna-
ivili liyajika what goes comes.
It won't. Anyway, I'm done. Thank you for bringing
Samfuni.
Yeah, ngiright ngayo shame. Ngiright ngawe, I'm okay.
Ayikho into engizoyisho ba futhi umithela ubabami so I can't stay with her mithela uba like yo ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi I actually came here sengazi namaqiniso nezinto ebengazazi ukuthi ngizozazi yo
So we can close it.
yo
Sifiso akuna next ofuna ukuyisho kuyo.
no the only
Now
thing
so
engizomtshela yena ukuthi apaki impahla zakhe sengimnika zona lezi ngimthekele everything sengimnika yona so I want to start afresh ku right it's fine you can go and live with him
Yeah.
naye umtshela ukuthi angaphinda libeke inyawo lakhe lapha kumina
Yeah, that's your problem with him. Angizingeni mina. So
ngoba izowaqoshwe inkukhu izowaqoshwe inkukhu
but
mhlambe nje
I'm great.
yazi inkinga yabantu inkinga yakho ukuthi wena mhlambe angazi ngithini indlela ngikubekezelele ngayo
Oh, bekezelele mina wena.
bengikubekezelele sometimes ezinye izinto ubuzenza thanda ngitshela ngama phone call bengithula nje ngibezwa nje lokhu kwabafana lokhu kufona kodwa ngabe nje bengisasenalo lalaka lola ngabe nginingi nje sengikwenzile ngabe sengilimeze izingane zabantu ngenxa yakho kanti wena nje uyizibonela umuntu ozohasila la kimi kanti wena uzibonela umuntu ukuthi lo ngiyolala nobaba wakhe ngizalela ubaba wakhe ingane shothi usungizalela ubhuti.
You're welcome.
Hayi ngiyabonga mina ngawe ngiyabonga Bumi ngiyakubonga nje bongiwe angisafuni ukuzwa lutho nje manje nje ngifuna uyothatha izinto zakho uphuma uphele nje uhamba ubuyele kini mhlawumbe ekini bazoyivumela lento yakho emaklabhini uyohamba uyolala nabantu abadala.
I don't need
Angizoyithatha ngiyishise ozokuthenga ngiyithenge nihlalele kodwa mina lapha ningahlukumezi mina ngikubone nje uyongena ejardini kama wami.
Ngeke ungone ngigcina ke namhlanje don't
Okay. Angifuni ukubona emagcekeni asekhaya mina nalo baba wakho lo umthathe naye ngikupha yena nambe niyohlala somewhere aze ngicasula.
It is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We out.